Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you're enjoying your day. So this is our another video about apps. If you remember, I posted one video about app which is uh, something like camera and image. Okay, like what will happen in that app once you will run the project. Okay, you will get one button like click me. If you will click on that, your camera will open, your camera will capture the photo. Okay, and with the help of image recognizer we are going to be recognize about that image, like what is that image all about. So we did successfully that project. If you want that video link, I'm going to be provide you in the description box, or you can check my playlist like app one, so that you will get that video. Okay, this is our second video about how to create the apps. Okay, so I created one project for you which is something like multiplication table. It is something like we need to remember our multiplication table, right? For example, 2's table, 3's table. So now we can convert that table into the coding format, so that if you will run it, see, once I will click on live test, it is something like multiplication table app. We all have to remember a multiplication table at some point in our school. This app will show you multiplication table of any number you want. Suppose I want a multiplication table of 17. So just write 17, click on generate. See, it's 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 3s are 4s are 5s are till 10s are. We are going to be start this project. I hope you like this project. So it's very simple. We need to open the Google. We have to search for Thunkable. It is not like you need to open the Google. You can search for, like you can search in any web browser. Okay, this is the official link. Even this link also I'm going to be provide you into the description box. Okay, as you can see, how to create a new project, this basic thing also I explained you in that. Okay, you have to just click on this create blank project. It is asking you what's your project name. Suppose my project name is multiplication table. Then we have to select some category. So category is something like whatever app you are creating that belongs to which category. So as you can see, this project belongs to my education category. So I will just select education. We have to uncheck it. Okay. This three thing you need to do here. You have to write your project name. You need to select the category, and then we need to uncheck it. You have to just press on create button. So if you will click on create button, it will create one blank project for you. This is your blank project. How to start? As you can see, if I will show you this project, there is a two screen. One is for screen, one is main screen. So how to create a multiple screens here? It's very simple. This is our screen one. If you will click on this plus sign, as you can see, you will get two screens. So this project is also two screens. Suppose you want to rename your screen one, like I wanted to just write home screen or anything, you have to just click on this option, rename, and just write. Suppose this is my home screen, and this screen 2 is my main screen. So this is the first thing that we did. We created two screens. One is home screen, one is main screen. Home screen is our first screen. Main screen is our second screen. Okay. If you have any kind of query, you can write that question in the comment section. Whenever I will get a time, I'm going to be read that and I will provide you the solution. Okay. Now, if you will see this, we have these things to be right. Okay, so it's very simple. For this screen we will require label. This is our first label, this is second label, and we will require the button. Okay, Suppose this button I want downside, so you can take it down from here, as you can see. So the first label, I wanted to write a name, app name. Okay. So you have to first click on the label, try to write a name here, multiplication table. Okay. Suppose you want to increase the size, font size, you can increase it. Suppose I want 30. Then we can change the color. It's your choice which color you wanted to add. Suppose we want to change the entire screen color, so you have to click on home. Okay. Select your background color, any color you can select. It's totally your choice. So we added one label. The second label, I wanted to write some basic information like let's start multiplication table. Okay, so let's start multiplication table. So as you can see, we added multiplication table. Let's start multiplication table, this button. Suppose I wanted to write a name. Let's go. Let's go. Like you can write any meaningful name. Suppose we want to change a background color, that also you can add. So as you can see, it's very simple. We added two label and one button. Now come to the main screen. Main screen is something like where we will show the result. Very simple. We can first change the background color. It's your choice which color you wanted to add. Suppose I added this color. Okay. Then the next component that we will require is text input. Why the text input? Because inside this only we are going to be write for which number we want to create a multiplication table. So that is the thing by text input. Then we will require one button. Button is something like over here we will instead of type here, we will try to put the number, and if I will click on button, then only it will show me the result where it is going to be show you the result in label. So we will require total 10 labels. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why we will require 10 labels? Because in each label, like suppose I wanted to create a table of 10. So 10 ones are 10 that we will store in this first label. 10 twos are 20, we will store in the second label like that. Okay. Suppose I want this button upside. So we can take our button a little bit up. Okay. Then we want our text input also. Text input is my first component. So you can arrange your component from here as well. Okay. So see, okay, one more label. There is one more label. Perfect. So as you can see, we added text input. This button also we will require here. It's perfect now. Text input, button and 10 labels. For this button, I wanted to be rename it as a click me or generate. Generate is the suitable word. Generate. We can change a background color. So this is overall the design part that we added. You have to see this is your label. It's a label 12. So I will just write 1 because while doing coding, it will be very easy. This is 2. Okay. The third one I wanted to be write as a 3. Always you have to rename your component because it will help you a lot while doing coding. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fifth one. Always we need to rename the IDs, okay? This is sixth. This is seventh. This one is eight, nine, and the last one is 10. We rename it, okay? Perfect. So as you can see, total we added 10 labels, one button, one text input. So we finished the design part. Let's start the blocks, which is code, which is our algorithm. So as you can see, we need to click on the block. What is our first page algorithm is? If I will click on button, very simple, it will navigate me to the next page. Very simple. So you have to click on button. When button is clicked, we need to go to the control so that we will go to the home page. Home page, not main page, because we already in home page. We want to go here. So when I will click on button, it will navigate me to the main page. Let me show you. Multiplication table, let's start. Let's go. See, it is throwing me here. So it's very simple. When we will click on button, it will navigate you to the main page. Now, what is our main page logic? The main page logic is something like, if I will put number here, if I will click on generate button, it will show me the result here. Very simple. So we need to click on button. When button is clicked, we have to take user input, right? So how to take a user input? That is very simple. First, we are going to be initialize one variable. Why we will require the variable? Because we have to store the number. We need to store the result. So instead of name, I'm going to be just write number. So we need to initialize the number. Okay. The next part that we will do is we have to set. So again, go to the variable, set your variable number, like we will take input from the user. So which is our text input, and we are going to be take a text. It means inside this variable, it will first take what user entered the input. Okay. The next part in the first label over here, what we are going to be show, it is for example 17 1 17, right? So we need to set ones. Okay. What we are going to be set here, we need to join first. So go to the text, we will add a join. Okay. You have to click on plus sign if you want one more block here. But we are going to be join your, we will try to remove this. The first thing we will join here is whatever number user will enter. Okay. Whatever number user will enter, we will take this one. We have to simply put multiply. For example, 17 multiply 1. So 17 ones are 17. So that result we will store on this third one. So we have to go to the maths because we have to take up multiplication. Okay. But we are going to do multiply here. Your variable, like your number, we will multiply with 1. So very simple logic. If I will test it, suppose I want for 17 generate. You are just getting 17 multiply with 1, right? So 17 multiply with 1 is equal to 17, right? Over here, we will try to put equals because we are creating it. So suppose 7. So see 7 multiply 1 equals 7. So it's working fine. Okay. Same thing, we will duplicate. Why duplicate? Because we have to save the time. Only we need to change here. 17 multiplied 2. Over here also we are going to be change. It's 2. Again duplicate. We need to add it. But here we will save in the second label. This one we will save in the third. Right? Like that, we have to just change little bit. As you can see, this is your third one. So we will add 3. Okay, I think it's 2 only. Yes, it's 2. This is 3. This is 3. We need to save here 3. Duplicate. This is for 4. We need to add 4 over here. And again, this is 4. Duplicate. This is 5th. So like that, you need to duplicate it 10 times. So this is, that's I told you have to rename the ID because this is your ID. So if you will rename the ID, it will help you a lot. Like you are able to save the time also. So 5th, like that you have to do for all 10 labels. Okay. Like, see, this is 6th one. And over here, just add 6. Same we will do for 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me test it now. Suppose 8. You are getting till this because I think, oh, okay, we missed 6 over here. Okay, perfect. So in this way, you can try for 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, once you will try it, what's your next part that you need to do? You have to click on share button, generate the link, copy the link. This link you need to give me in the comment, like chat section, okay, in the comment section, so that I'm going to be check that. I will give you the score also whether you did it correct or not. Okay. So please do this project because it will really help you a lot. Okay. So this is our overall project. We did 2 pages. The first one, second one, and we did the coding part. Very simple thing. Please try this project. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.